Want better messaging without spending a dime? These are the top 5 free chat apps in 2026 that millions of people use every day for chatting, calling, and staying connected. At number 5, it's Discord with a 4.4 star rating, over 500 million downloads, and more than 6 million user reviews. And there's a good reason so many people keep coming back. Discord gives you way more than basic messaging. You can create your own private servers, organize conversations into different channels, and switch between text, voice, and video chats in seconds. Want to make your chats more fun? Add custom emojis, stickers, soundboards, and personalize your profile to match your style. One of its biggest advantages is the smooth, low latency screen sharing. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, studying together, or just hanging out, it feels like everyone's in the same room. And you can jump into voice channels anytime without waiting for someone to start a call. Discord also works across your phone, PC, and even consoles, so your conversations stay connected wherever you are. It's perfect for gaming squads, school groups, online communities, content creators, or simply staying in touch with friends in one organized place. Number 4, it's IMO. Rated 4.3 stars with over 8 million reviews, IMO has become a go-to app for staying connected across the globe. The biggest reason people love it? Free HD video and voice calls that work on Wi-Fi and even slower mobile networks, making it easy to talk with family and friends almost anywhere. It also supports group chats, photo and video sharing, and lets you send documents like PDFs, zip files, and more all in one app. Need extra privacy? IMO includes end-to-end encryption for supported chats, disappearing messages, secret chats, and screenshot protection to help keep your conversations more secure. One standout feature is instant message translation, making it easier to chat with people who speak different languages without switching apps. And if you use multiple devices, your messages can sync across Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac, so you can pick up conversations wherever you are. With over 1 billion installs, support in dozens of languages, and users in more than 170 countries, it's easy to see why IMO remains a popular messaging choice. At number 3, it's a Telegram rated 4 out of 5 stars, with over 16 million reviews and more than 1 billion downloads worldwide. What makes Telegram stand out? Speed. It delivers messages quickly, even on slower internet connections, making it a reliable choice wherever you are. One of its biggest advantages is cross-device syncing. Start a conversation on your phone, continue it on your laptop, and pick it up later on your tablet without missing a beat. Need to share large files? Telegram lets you send videos, documents, and other media with generous file support, making it useful for students, creators, remote teams, and everyday users. If you love communities, Telegram offers massive group chats, broadcast channels, and bots that can automate tasks, provide updates, or even help manage projects. Privacy is another reason millions choose it. Features like secret chats, disappearing messages, and flexible privacy controls give users more control over their conversations. And the best part? It's free, packed with customization options like themes, animated stickers, and GIFs, while keeping the interface clean and easy to use. If you're looking for a messaging app that's fast, feature-rich, and built for everything from casual chats to large communities, Telegram definitely deserves its spot at number 3. Number 2, we have Messenger, one of the world's most popular messaging apps, with an impressive 4.4 star rating, over 108 million reviews, and more than 5 billion installs. Messenger makes it incredibly easy to chat, make voice calls, or start HD video calls with friends and family almost anywhere in the world. If you're already connected on Facebook, you don't even need a phone number to get started. One of its standout features is Meta AI, which can answer questions, help brainstorm ideas, assist with homework, and more. Keep in mind that AI features are only available in select countries and languages. Sharing is also better than ever. You can send high-definition photos, transfer files up to 100 megabytes, and even create shared albums to organize memories from trips, birthdays, or family events. Send the wrong message? No problem. Messenger lets you edit or unsend messages within a limited time, giving you a second chance before it's too late. Want more privacy? Use end-to-end encrypted chats with disappearing messages for conversations that don't need to stay forever. You can also personalize your chats with themes, GIFs, stickers, reactions, and stories, making every conversation feel more fun and expressive. The number one, we have WhatsApp Messenger, and honestly, it's easy to see why. With a 4.4 star rating, over 234 million reviews, and more than 10 billion downloads, it's one of the most popular messaging apps ever made. The best part, it just works. You can send messages, photos, videos, documents, and voice notes in seconds without dealing with complicated settings. Calling friends or family, WhatsApp gives you crystal clear voice and video calls even if they're on the other side of the world. You can even jump into group video calls, making it perfect for families, friend groups, or remote teams. Privacy is another huge reason people trust it. Your personal chats and calls are protected with end-to-end encryption, so your conversations stay between you and the people you're talking to. And if you like sharing everyday moments, the status feature lets you post photos, videos, or text updates that automatically disappear after 24 hours. Whether you're texting every day, making international calls, or staying connected with loved ones, WhatsApp keeps everything simple, fast, and reliable. Did your favorite make the list? Comment below, hit like, subscribe, and come back for more awesome app recommendations.